Man, look what my girl got me for Christmas. I'm ready to work. I'm ready to work, man. I'm ready to work. 7-second draw. I'll be up there with the big dogs. 1.0, that's my fastest time so far. Boom, I went Carhartt, Jackie, G-Shock Rubik's Cube Edition, black cargos, New Balance, and then we go pieces. Ooh. Man, I just got my stuff out the trunk, man, but I just want to give a shout out to my girl. Look what she got me for Christmas, man. She got me Terran tactical equipment. I'm having Terran tactical gear. I gotta show y'all what else she got me, man. Look. Come on, bro. Like, we really having this stuff. Like, you feel me? You know what this is? You know what this is? Like, you see the belt clip? Like, I'm ready to work. Look what my girl got me. I'm ready to work. I'm ready to work. Man, look what my girl got me for Christmas. I'm ready to work. I'm ready to work, man. I'm ready to work. What? Got the pack timer, Terran tactical, and some more stuff. But man, I'm ready to work, man. I'm ready to work. Let me see. Got my shot timer. Shout out to Boogie, y'all. He just got me set up. Let me see. Draw one on the all khaki target. Ready. That was a 1.8. I'm gonna do a 2-tap now. That was a 1.7. Hold on. I gotta move this a little closer. Let me just set it down.
Alright, y'all shoot. You can shoot another one.
So, alright, that was a 1.7. And then a 2. That was a 0.21 split. So in 2 seconds, I'll let off 2 shots. Still getting warmed up, y'all. And I got a hoodie. 1.6. That was a 1.6 to 1.9.
Oh, you're not doing
1.3 split. So it was 1.8, 2 shots. 1.8 seconds. I'm gonna try and get under 1.5 draw first shot. That's 1.1. Let me see if I can get under a second. 1.08.
Oh.
1.12.
1.32. Got 7-second draw.
Big day.
I'll be up there with the big dogs.
You don't know about big day.
1.0. That's my fastest time so far. And the split is a 0.9. That felt quick. That was 1.1.
So,
I love my turntable. Let's see a virtual. Three, 1.5, 1.6, 1.8, 2.2. Yo, let's see how that trigger freeze on that last one. Big old trigger freeze on that last one. It's gonna go again.
you got to stop. Oh, you want to keep your time? Hey, see it? Hey, stop.
Nothing's wrong.
I knew I knocked the clip down and I knew it was gonna fall. I tried to see if I could bring it in.
You know what?
I'll get a little tired
No.
until they leave.
You want to keep it? Stop.
Nothing's wrong.
Alright, so I had pushed that bill drill a little quick. I gotta slow it down so I can be more accurate. Well, I feel like I gotta get my grip. With my group in. A couple of my second shots out here, but my primary grouping is right here. Take a look. So I'm gonna time my draw. I'm gonna time my first shot and then my split to my second shot as fast as I can while being accurate and maintaining a good grip. So I'm gonna take my time but still go fast. duplicate that. Let me show y'all my time. So my first shot, it was a 2.09. My second shot was 2.45. So my split was a 0.36. Y'all can see I did kind of get caught up on my draw a little bit, but it's all right. I know I threw them both in the right C zone. But it's okay. I know what I did wrong, so I'm gonna just move forward. My first shot was a 1.9. Second shot was a 2.2. My split was a 0.34. I also had a bad grip on that. Keep going. I would also say I had a bad grip on that. Couldn't find my dot. My presentation was bad. I had a 1.89, 2.1, and I had a 2.9 split. First shot, 1.8 second shot. That was good as well. 1.5, 1.7. I didn't throw it anywhere out of the C zone, so it's decent. 1.5, 1.7. I landed both of those A zone. At a 1.6 and a 1.87. Both of those A's on as well. That was a 1.6, 1.9. .6, 2.0. That second shot I threw high right. One 7, 2. That was 1.5, 371. The reload took 2.1 seconds. Got my new gear. I'm ecstatic about it. Shout out to Ooh. Got me right. Alright, so I'm back ready to work, man. I'm ready to work. I just shot my shorts. And I got 4 shots left, so I'm gonna time these 4 last shots. And my head is hurting from from my headphones, so I know it's time to go. But I still can't ready to work. For real. Let's go. First shot 1-8, 1-3, 1-5, 1-7. Appreciate y'all for tuning in, man. It's SoloInCamo. I got plenty of ammo and I can't ready to work. Got some new gear for my girl. I'm ready to work, man. All right, y'all. I just wanted to show y'all what my targets look like. All these shots, those are for like before I didn't tape those up, but really like all this, as y'all can see, I was favoring towards the right. Same with this target, I was favoring towards the right. Just to show y'all, like, you know, some of the reference. Hey man, before I go, I want to give y'all a little fit check. Hold up. Let me get right. Alright man, so boom, I went Carhartt, Jackie, G-Shock Rubik's Cube Edition. I went black cargos, New Balance, 2002 R's. Boom, then we go pieces. Ooh, got the pieces. Yeah.
The 750 Li.
I knew it.
With the twin turbo V8.
Oh,
Yeah. 10,000 miles.
I'm ready to work. Look, this with the exhaust off, y'all. I'm gonna let y'all hear the turbos. Y'all let me know something. I'm gonna let y'all hear the turbos. I'm gonna just do like some simple pulls. I'm not finna dog it or nothing. We in sport. It's just sport. And if I put it in my mode, look. Turn the exhaust on right there. Now I could walk it just a little bit. So I'm gonna do a little 70 roll. That's not full throttle neither. Going easy on the wheel. Coming back. I'm coming back. Ooh, yellow light. Let me slow down. Hey, man. I'm gonna do a little takeoff for y'all. Hear them turbos? You see that boost? You see the boost lever? Ooh. Wherever I go, yeah, I'm backing them in. That's just how it is. Wherever I go, yeah, I'm backing them in. That's just how it is. I don't even gotta use my my camera. I'm a real driver. Y'all didn't know. I'm a real driver. I don't gotta use the backup cam. I can use all mirrors. Like, yeah, like I'm talking about like old school Benzes. Like I've been in Benzes.